And these are your boys.
Yes.
Your timing is perfect because you know what? We're making a peanut butter chocolate pudding. Who loves it? Toot toot. Say
y'all
toot
like
toot
dessert?
if you love it.
Toot toot!
Toot toot! Toot toot! Toot toot! Well, listen, y'all pull up a stool, guys.
Get your stools.
Daddy, if you would help them. Your mama and I, guys, are gonna get started on this peanut butter chocolate pudding. We need 2/3 of a cup of sugar over in here. You got 1/4 of a cup of water, and we need 3 tablespoons of cornstarch.
Sounds
and
good.
while you're doing that, I'm gonna measure out 1.5 cups of half and half.
This is a good start to a dessert.
Yes, yes,
Sugar,
this is
half
gonna
and
be so
half.
good. All right, 1.5 cups of milk. And I'm gonna add 2 egg yolks to this. And we're gonna save these whites and make our meringue. Who likes meringue?
I do.
Toot toot. Do they like chocolate?
Yes.
All right, I got a toot, y'all. How about peanut butter?
Yes.
Yes, toot toot. That was toot toot, y'all. Do y'all just have like cows?
Yeah, we raise cattle.
Yum. So this vegetarian in high heels wound up on a ranch eating beef 3 times a day.
I know everything there is
Right,
to know
lad.
about agriculture.
At least 2 times a day.
What kind of cattle do y'all raise?
Mostly Angus type cattle.
That's a good kind of cow, isn't it?
Yes, good. They're good beef.
Good beef. How many acres?
Pretty good size.
It is.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just gonna beat up this half and half, Ree. We've got our 2 yolks, so I'm just gonna pour that in there before that gets too hot so we won't have scrambled eggs. So there we go. Are y'all liking the looks of this so far? All right, now go ahead and add 1/4 cup of the peanut butter,
Good
Ree,
stuff.
and let that melt in there. And I'm gonna add about 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Well, did you have any idea, lad, what you were getting into when you married her, when you brought her home to the ranch?
She adapted pretty well. It took her about a year, and then she really got where she loved the country, so.
And-
Now I can't hardly get her out of the country.
It's a great place to be, isn't it?
It is.
I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of sugar.
This looks
All right.
scrumptious.
So this is perfect timing. We're gonna put our pudding together, guys, using a chocolate wafer cookie. These are nice and thin, so I'm just gonna put us a nice little layer.
I'll stir the vanilla in.
Okay, please. And about a teaspoon of vanilla. So we're gonna make a couple of layers here. So Mama, if you'll put about half of that pudding.
Yep.
Guys, come on down here so you can see what we're doing.
That looks.
You see
look
that?
At this.
Would you help me by putting another layer of the chocolate cookies, please?
Grab some cookies, Bryce.
I like to do that.
Yeah. Oh, you like to do that? Well, get up here. Now, let's ask Mommy if she will put the rest of that pudding.
All right, this is for the boys.
What you think? I got a clap. No toot, but a clap. All right, now guys, you take your pot down there and you enjoy licking that pot. And y'all listen to this. Now, we're gonna put this in a 325-degree oven and we're gonna bake it for 23 minutes. Not
good, Bryce.
24, not 22. 23 minutes.
Gorgeous.
In this gorgeous, gorgeous.
Gorgeous and glossy.
All right, in the oven, guys. Look at those boys. That brings back wonderful memories of when I had my boys in the kitchen with me when they had to do as they were told.
Back when they listened to you.
Yeah.
Boys, doesn't that
Ingredients
pudding
here.
look delicious?
Pudding looks great.
Yes. Well, let's give him the biggest bowl of pudding.
right. Great.
And I can
Thank you.
always add more. Okay, boys. Ooh. There you go. Y'all dig in. This looks incredible.
Oh, Paula, this is so good.
Oh my goodness. This is delicious. Do y'all like it?
Is that delicious?
Very good. Nice.
Now, Paula, we have some bad news for you. We're never leaving your house.
Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.